Here's problem 1 from the 2020 AMC 8. Luca is making lemonade. His recipe needs 4 times as much water as sugar, and twice as much sugar as lemon juice. He uses 3 cups of lemon juice. How many cups of water does he need? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's follow the recipe step by step. We start with what we know. Luca uses 3 cups of lemon juice. The recipe calls for twice as much sugar as lemon juice. So the sugar is 2 times 3, which is 6 cups of sugar. And the recipe calls for 4 times as much water as sugar. So the water is 4 times 6, which is 24 cups of water. So Luca needs 24 cups of water, which is choice E.